And not when we talk about unreciprocated relationships, it means that that exchange of love, like, and understanding is off balance. So I believe that this connection goes three ways. First, internally, we should love, like, and understand ourselves. We can give love, like, and understanding to others, and we can receive love, like, and understanding from others. So there's three directions. Unreciprocated is when one or more of those ways is messed up.
Is
Like,
that
if
why it
you're,
hurts so much?
it hurts because it throws the system off. We're supposed to
Mm.
have, if we're wired for connection, we have to be all right within, to quote Miss Lauren Hill. If I was at home, I would have my Miseducation of Lauren Hill piece behind me, but I'm not at home right now. But she says, how are you going to live if you ain't right within? But, we have to love, like, and understand ourselves. And when we give it to others, but it's not reciprocated, or we notice I give 90% and I get 10 back. When there's an imbalance, it hurts us because it's not sustainable. If I'm giving 90% and I'm only getting 10% back, or say, let's use this dynamic we have here on a podcast, right? If I talk the entire time and don't let you speak, that's unreciprocated. It's not mutually beneficial, right? And that's what I was getting at when I started writing these stories. I was like, wow, and not to be, like you said, not the victim or the villain or the whatever, but when you recognize I have a tendency to give more to people than they'll give to me. And the love, liking, and understanding myself as I went through these stories and developing as a human, I recognized, wow, there's a self abandonment that happens when you give way more to others than they give to you. And in the end, you're alone anyway. Because when you call
Mm.
somebody out on it, they're like, oh, you're tripping or you're doing too much or whatever. You're disposable, but the risk was more yours anyway because you put way more investment in than they did. So